What's up, everyone? So, like I said before, I did a Periscope challenge for 10,030 days.
Now, I want to help 25 people before I leave make $10,000.
So, I actually have my top student of that challenge here. He actually achieved the 10,030 days. I'm so stoked to have this guy on video here to talk about all about it. And the Periscope was on July 1st. And he's actually sent me a message August 1st saying that he completed the challenge with the 10,000. So I'm gonna let him take it away. Tell everybody your name, your age, and where you're from, man.
So my name's Waka. I'm from the United Kingdom, and I'm 27 years old, and I've been learning Forex for about 5 months.
Okay.
But I've only been a VTN student for about 3 months.
Okay. Awesome, man. So, you say you've been trading for about 5 months. My student for 3. What would you say what your experience was before the training, the 30-day training? If you had to rate it, just like one scale of 1 to 10, what would you say to us?
I'd say my experience before joining VTN was probably around 2 or 3.
Okay.
Because I was doing a lot of reading and I understood the theory. But when you take that theory and apply it practically, it's a whole different dimension. And I didn't really understand it. I didn't understand, the market movement. All I saw was literally a chart going up and down. And I thought I could just follow the trend. But I didn't understand how these trends work and how they develop.
Right, okay. So, 10,030 days, man. Like, that's a lot of money, especially in America. I'm in Colombia right now, so here, you'd have the girls all over you. But, we did what, 5, 6 sessions? Like, what would you say, like, if you had to pick one thing, what would you say was like the number one thing that just made everything make sense in the training? Because the sessions were only about 90 minutes each, so it was a lot of information. But if you had to pick just one thing from the training, what would you say? Just knocked it out the park for you.
For me, I think it's definitely going to be learning the market maker psychology.
Okay.
Because it really made me be more confident. Because I've had trades now that have gone like minus nearly 800, and if that was before, I would have been crying. But now it's like I have more faith, and I have confidence that I know that these trades are going to pull back up. It's just the market maker just trying to fool you and just trying to throw you off your game. So learning the psychology was like the key thing for me.
Okay. So you're talking about a trade going. For some of these people that are watching this video, they may be new traders or they may be a little bit more experienced. So how much did you actually start with to achieve the 10,030 days?
I started with £1,500.
£1,500. Okay, so that's roughly like $1,800 US, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay, and like what you got to do with the money, man? Like how's now after the challenge is over, you sent me the message on August 1st. It's now like the 16th of August. Are you gonna keep investing? You gonna keep investing in your trainings? What's your goals, man?
So with the 10,000 that I've made so far, I only put £1,500 in, so I've taken 5 of it out and just put that into my own personal savings.
Okay.
And the other 5 is I'm gonna reinvest it and just learn more about Forex and just build up my game and just get even higher results.
Okay. Cool. And then last question for you, man. So really think hard on this one. If you had to put a price point to this training, what would you charge for this training? If you were the teacher and you understood, the power of it now, what would you put a price? How much would you charge?
I'd say roughly between, for the whole course, I'd say probably like 5 to 10,000, because now I've gone through it and I've learned it, I made that money back in the first month. So if you think about it, you've got the whole year to work through. You're going to easily, whatever you pay for the course, you're going to easily get it back. And you won't even remember the 10,000 you initially put into the course because you're just going to make so much in return.
Yeah, I mean, that's awesome, man. That's but luckily it's not $10,000. So I mean, hey, hopefully I'm expecting a bunch of more testimonials. I definitely appreciate you hopping on here with me and really just sharing your experience and your testimonial for everyone to really just see what this thing is all about and how powerful it really is.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, just keep killing it. I'm super proud of you. Just keep doing your thing. Keep killing the markets, man, and just take care of your family. Start teaching your friends and family because that's what it's all about.